Hello everybody, I'm Adriana from Mobile One, and seeing your comments and suggestions, I have decided to present a series of short videos with all the tricks that we have acquired to facilitate it and guarantee success in mobile repairs. We are going to take advantage of our experience and try to show you all the tips that we have discovered over the last 8 years. In today's video, the first in this series, we are going to talk about shields. If we have to carry out a repair on the motherboard level, but we do not want to risk its functionality, we must try to remove the shields using a cutting pliers. In the description of the video, I will leave you the link of where to buy these pliers. Removing this metal sheet is a rather complicated process until we gain experience, but is a very healthy one for the motherboard. If you don't have a good technique or a good quality air station, it is better to use this method. Now, let's see the pros and cons of this technique. We start with the advantages. The motherboard does not suffer more damages than in the case of applying heat. We can leave a device dead by going over temperature. Another advantage is the relatively short time to remove the shield. The cons of this method is the following. On occasion, aesthetic marks may remain on the motherboard. These marks can be repaired using a UV mask and an ultraviolet flashlight. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Then we can protect the area with Kapton tape. This was today's trick, very important from my point of view, and throughout this year I will prepare more than 100 videos with tricks that will facilitate your work. In another video, I'm going to present you how to remove the shielding using an air station. If you like this new series, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.